Happy birthday Tito. Maraming salamat dahil binibigyan mo kami ng mag-comment. Happy birthday din Tito. Dahil kami tinutulungan mo para makapagtapos kami ng pag-aaral. Maraming salamat Tito. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Tito. Thank you sa mga pag-asikaso mo. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo. Thank you kasi nandyan ka palagi sumusuporta. Thank you po sa lahat and enjoy your birthday. Ingat ka palagi, Tito. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boy. Ilang taon ka na ba?
Happy birthday, ano mo?
Tito boy.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. More birthdays to come.
Manugang ko. Nilisa.
Happy birthday!
O ikaw?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Sana makarami!
Si Madi.
Pag nagabate,
Happy
kaya padalanin 500 kada sarong. Siya. Hindi na ano. Ngayon.
Happy birthday lang.
Kaya happy birthday kay kuya.
Piga video ko. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Birthday. Kay manugang ko.
Ay, happy birthday!
Ito yung asawa ni Lisa dito, si Kuya. Nakatira. Kay Mr. Armin Andes. Oo. Birthday ngayon.
Walang inuman.
Happy birthday, Bobet! Wishing you a day filled with laughter, cakes, and all the good things in life. Cheers to another year! Isang taon na naman ang nadagdag sa buhay mo, but age is just a number. Happy birthday, my friend! Thanking you on this special day and sending lots of care and love to you and to your loved ones. You're one of the best peoples I knew, and I'm so grateful to call you a friend. Maligayang kaarawan. May your birthday be as awesome as you are. Enjoy every moment. Lahat ng tagay nyo mamaya. Can't wait to celebrate with you. See you soon and sending birthday hugs and good vibes to you and your family. You make life so much brighter. Happy birthday, Bobet!
Hi Kuya Bobet, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to dahil birthday mo, and ang wish ko para sa iyo is sana matupad lahat ng mga hiling mo and long life syempre. At yun lang, happy birthday ulit. Kung may handa ka, pakain. Charot. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boy. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ganun ka pa rin. Walang pinagbago. Nadagdagan lang ang edad mo. Happy birthday ulit and God bless. More power.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boy. Ingat palagi and enjoy your day. Shot soon.
Hello, Bopet! Happy birthday! Sana humaba pang buhay mo, no? Para meron pa rin akong mahal na kapatid. Dahil mahal na mahal ko yung anak-anakan ko dyan. Kung pababayaan, pagbibili ko na siya, meron ako ng kakilalang American citizen. Joke lang. Sige, enjoy
Birthday, Boss Bobet. Sana hahaba pang buhay mo. Huwag ka masyadong inom ng masyadong grabe para mahabang buhay natin. Ikaw lang yan ha. Basta ingat and God bless you.
Happy birthday, jowa ni Mama Jane. All the best. Stay healthy. See you soon. Cheers. Enjoy the night. Enjoy the day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday po Ninong Boy.
Happy birthday! Sana madagdagan pa yung buhay mo. At more birthday. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boy. Happy birthday, Paring Boy. Sana good health at long life. At para marami ka pang matulungan. God bless, pare. Ingat lagi pag mamaneho ng motor, sakyan man. Thank you everything.
Hello. Sabi Lolo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Abo. Kiss mo daw.